In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a product drop on Squarespace. If you want a product to go live automatically at a specific date and time, Squarespace makes that process very straightforward. This is especially useful if you're planning a launch, preparing for a limited release, or simply want to stay organized and have your store update without needing to be there manually at the exact moment. To get started, log into your Squarespace site and go to your main dashboard. From there, click on Products and Services. This is the section where you manage the items you sell along with the related settings for your store. Next, click on Products. This will open your product list where you can see all of the items currently in your store. Take a moment to find the product you want to schedule for release and then select it to open its settings. Make sure you're choosing the correct item, especially if you have multiple similar products or product variants in your shop. Once you're inside the product settings, go to the Organization section. In this area, you'll see a drop-down menu for visibility. This setting controls whether your product is currently visible to customers, hidden, or set to appear later. Click the Visibility drop-down and change it to Scheduled. As soon as you do that, Squarespace will give you the option to set the exact date and time for the product to become visible on your site. Choose the schedule that matches your launch plan. It's a good idea to double-check the time and date before moving on, especially if you're working around a promotion, event, or time-sensitive announcement. After you've entered the date and time, the scheduling part is done. All that's left is to click Save. Once you save your changes, Squarespace will automatically publish that product at the time you selected. And that's all. You've successfully scheduled a product drop on Squarespace. This is a simple but very helpful feature if you want your online store to feel more polished and professionally managed. Just remember to review your product details before launch so everything is ready when it goes live.